Hello YouTube, Sardonius from Tech, and the unboxing of another desktop keyboard. Here we have Dell Keyboard KB216 Multimedia Black. The Dell Wired Keyboard provides a convenient keyboard solution for everyday home or office computing uses. Keyboard's full layout with chiclet style keys allows for efficient, comfortable typing. Excellent for everyday usage on virtually any task at hand. Multimedia keys for quick actions and commands. Then convenient multimedia keys let you easily access functions such as play, pause, rewind, and fast forward plus volume control. Dell Wired Keyboard. View larger, comfortable desk-centric design. With a compact design that features a full-size keyboard and number pad. With a durable build and quiet keys, it's designed to provide comfort for the everyday demands of desktop usage.